So, how do you fix Instagram instance option not showing on your phone? So, if you're looking for the instance options on Instagram but can't find it, don't worry, because in most cases, there's nothing wrong with your phone or account. Instagram regularly rolls out features in stages, which means some users get access earlier than others. If the instance options isn't showing yet, the best thing you can do is make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version and wait for the feature to be rolled out to your account. However, if you need access right away, there's an alternative. You can download the Instance app directly from the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. And once installed, you can use Instance without waiting for the Instagram rollout. So, the recap, if the Instance option isn't showing on your Instagram account, make sure your app is updated and wait for the feature to be enabled on your account. Or if you don't want to wait, just download the Instance app directly from your App Store. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.